One thing that I always add in, the self-love lifestyle that I mentor, is about if you are ready to get uncomfortable,
Yeah.
then only come. Because it's not, self-love is not a comfort zone.
Yeah, it is.
If you're thinking that way, it's like completely no.
पेंडोरस का बॉक्स खोलना है भाई। जिस चीज को अवॉइड कर रहे हो ना जिंदगी भर से कि ये इसको बाद में देखेंगे, इसको अभी देखना है, इसको अभी देखना है।
And you'll try to avoid and you'll give so many excuses कि
Yeah,
मैं नहीं देखना
yeah,
चाहता या
yeah,
नहीं होगा.
yeah.
But you have to go through it. There is no option.
Yeah, yeah.
So get ready to become uncomfortable.
See, I want to talk about this aspect because see, मेरा जो transition हुआ है, मेरी जो audience भी है, right? These are people who aspire to become something in life, right? In very uncomfortable way because see, when आप एक status quo को challenge करते हो अपनी लाइफ में, कोई मिडिल क्लास है, कोई वेरी ऑर्थोडॉक्स फैमिली से आ रहा है कि मुझे इस फील्ड में क्रिएट करना है, लाइक इवन फॉर योर प्रोफेशन टू बी फ्लरिश, इट्स लाइक ऐसा कोई प्रोफेशन होता है क्या, राइट? यू क्रिएटेड इट योरसेल्फ, लाइक यू सेल्फ लव ज्वेल्स, लाइक आई एम आल्सो लाइक, मैंने जब पहली बार, दिस इज समथिंग आई नेवर हर्ड ऑफ, राइट? यू रोट द बुक ऑन सेल्फ लव, राइट? एंड नाउ यू मेंटर पीपल विद फॉर दैट थिंग, सेल्फ लव. तो ये मेंटल जो एक रिलेशनशिप होती है ना खुद से इंसान की, और जब आप ऐसे किसी भी जर्नी में जाते हो, लाइक इवन फॉर यू इट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रॉमेटिक एक्सपीरियंस जो किसी से दिखता नहीं है किसी को, बट मेंटली आपको अफेक्ट कर रहा है, राइट? हाउ, जैसे यू वर इनसिक्योर अबाउट रिलेशनशिप्स कि ये नहीं चली तो, लाइक इट कैन बी एनी रिलेशनशिप, फ्रेंडशिप, विद पेरेंट्स, विद फ्रेंड्स, एनीथिंग, लव, व्हाटएवर इट इज, राइट? बट द कोर इज योर रिलेशनशिप विद योरसेल्फ, राइट? सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सेल्फ लव अ बिट. और जो भी बंदा ऐसी किसी जर्नी पे जा रहा है, या मैं जैसे अपने ड्रीम के लिए फाइट कर रहा हूँ, या आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट इन माई लाइफ, राइट? सो पीपल विल जज यू, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोसेस. पीपल विल लीव यू ऑल्सो बिकॉज यू हैव नाउ इवॉल्व्ड. आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी ज्यादा बेटर होते जा रही है, यू आर नॉट इन द लोअर पिरामिड एनी मोर, सो ऑटोमेटिकली यू वोंट फील कंफर्टेबल, दे ऑल्सो वोंट फील कंफर्टेबल विद यू. उनको पार्टी करनी है, उनको टाइम पास करना है, आपको नहीं करना, बिकॉज यू आर नाउ गोल ओरिएंटेड पर्सन.
True.
Right? So how do somebody in such phase, who's a dreamer, who wants to become something in life, or just have a different notion of life, they build a strong core relationship with themselves with the help of self-love, and then build upon it?
The first and foremost is believe in yourself.
True.
And if something is not coming, that you're not feeling that you should do it, but maybe logically every reasoning would be there that you should do it,
Yeah.
don't do it.
Okay.
Because if it's not coming from your gut, it's not coming from your inside,
Yeah.
don't do it. Because you know very well
Yeah.
what is good for you and what is calling for you. Because sometimes the world will look, the Disneyland, the best of the things and the best of the images
Yeah,
and everything.
yeah, yeah.
But when you go inside, there would be nothing for you. Maybe because you don't want that. You wanted something else.
Yeah, you're satisfied with something else, right?
Yes. And so you really need to believe and do the action which actually you feel that, yes, I should do.
Yes.
If any moment of time, if you're getting a calling, you should back off. Back off. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि तुम कर ही जाओ.
So true.
And now there is a difference between the gut feeling and the fear.
हाँ, पता चला कि पहले ये अनकंफर्टेबल होने पे बोल
हाँ, नहीं. There is a difference between the gut feeling and the fear. So पहले तो उस अपने आप से connect करना.
Correct.
That what you believe in, what do you feel? Uncomfort होगा. Like I give you an example for this. Long time back, I think in 2012.
Okay.
So I was having PCOD problem, and I was like fat. Like I was like
Really fat?
gained of weight like 5-6 kg
Okay.
above my weight. So I was like very chubby person kind of.
Okay.
So I had a feeling that if I didn't get it done or clarified right now,
Yeah.
then I will have a severe problem, or maybe I have to be hospitalized for some work.
Okay.
I got that feeling.
Okay.
And I then went to a Ayurvedic hospital,
Yeah.
and they told me certain treatments like enema, body massage. So body massage is okay, but enema is like scary again for me.
Yeah.
But I made sure I will go through this pain.
Yeah, you have to do it.
actually it's not painful, but the pain is in the mind.
Mind, yeah. Yeah.
It's not painful process, but the pain is in the mind that something weird is happening. And I made sure that I will do it because I know that is good for my body.
Yeah.
After that, I did ice bath also.
Wow.
I did walk on the fire charcoal also.
Oh.
I have to come over all my fears. So I deliberately go there. I walked it so that I'm out of the fear of it now.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So that was very important and main agenda for me, that I have to overcome my fears.
So true.
So working on self-love is very important also to overcome your fear. You don't want to do certain thing, it should be by your choice.
Yeah.
It should not be based on the choice of the fear
Yeah.
that is
Things should
holding
not
you
control
back.
you.
Yes. The emotion basically.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, somebody will ask me oh, can you do the bungee jumping there? So the two reaction would be one person who is in fear. No, I won't do it. It's too scary for me. मेरा गर्दन वर्दन टूट गई तो.
Yeah.
Or one person. No, technically I don't feel like doing it right now. So there's a shift of emotions.
Yeah.
So are you working out of fear or are you working
In control.
in control?
Yeah.
In control, and I'll say in content.
Yeah.